Hi guys, welcome to Helen the Horsebox. This is our first video, hopefully of many. This is the tour of the Horsebox when it was first bought back in June 2023. Currently, we're now end of December, looking into the new year. We've done loads of work through the year on the truck. I'm going to try and get out as much content as I can over the next few months. We might even get to a point where we're caught up back to real time. I hope you enjoy it. I'm not the best video editor in the world. Hopefully I get better as we go through the process. But yeah, join us for the journey. It's just me and my friend bumbling our way through, trying to figure out how to turn this Horsebox into a place for me to live. So come along and join us for the ride. Thanks.
Back door is so easy to get down as well, mate. So easy. Just undo them two little things either side, pull it down, and it comes down nice and easy. Damage there, down the side. Damage there. It's meant to be white.
So this is stepping in from the side door of the truck. As you can see, it's quite old, smells a bit funky, and it's damp. Just to give this a bit of context, Karl was filming this while I was away. I bought the truck but not seen it yet. When I saw it on eBay, I jumped at the chance to make sure I got it. There is a hatch through to the cab. I'm not sure whether this is something that will stay. We'll make a decision a little bit further down the line on that. The bed area above is a bit damp. It has got leaks from the roof, and the ceiling seems like it's very low. You can see there's a kitchen area as well, but again, it's all a bit old, a bit dated. It's probably going to get ripped out. Literally everything, I think. The damp here that Karl's just pointing out, it's that bad that the wood's rotting, and it's all bowing and everything as well. That's not just on the roof, but also the one on the bottom as well, where the couple of cushions are sat. The corner sofa that's there, I like the idea of, but again, it's all that old, it's probably just going to get ripped out and have to go. So I'm hoping that it's something that I can keep and then have two areas to sleep in.
Then you turn around and come through here, there's a locker there, like a wardrobe kind of thing. Little hangy things. Behind you, curtain for your toilet. Your little shelf. And this door, like Fort Knox, by the look of it. Open that top bit, takes you straight into the horse bit. There she runs. That don't work. Don't know what they've drilled there. Probably speakers in. Speakers are missing there. Oh, it's not. Well, yeah, it's missing. There's a speaker there, but big hole into the back of cab. And there's your buttons and that. Cover missing off of that. Gear knob could do with a new cap, because she didn't know where gears were. Thumb brake. Thumb brake's there, though. And that's cab. I've only just noticed though, mate, that cab. I don't know if the cab's tilted or it's the whole box at the top. I think it's the box. See, the gap's different from that side to that side. But yeah, meant to be white. Thing absolutely stinks.